Have you ever wondered how it feels to be ill treated, diseased, injured, and not be able to express yourself in words? Would feel terrible, right? Now imagine the plight of the millions of stray dogs or indies who go through this every day on our very roads, on our very streets, and sometimes in front of our eyes too. They do ask for help, but they can't speak up. Well, Professor Dumbledore had once said, help will always be given to those who ask for it. My name is Raghav Bhatia and I have designed a product solution for this problem, Possum. The goal of this product is simple: to help connect people who are interested in adopting an indie and make the product and make the adoption process streamlined, simple and hassle-free. For this purpose, we are designing an easy-to-use, feel-good mobile application that connects potential adopters, informers, and NGOs. The app takes care of three stages: pre-adoption, adoption, and post-adoption. Before we begin to solve the problem, we must validate two things. Number one, are we solving the right problem? And number two, are we solving the problem right? To validate the problem we are solving for, here is some data. Now that we have validated the problem with some data to back us up, it's time to know the pain points faced by users associated with the problem. I interviewed 4 dog lovers and potential dog adopters to know their problems. Then I defined the user segments. Based on the pain points noted earlier, the following were the user segments defined. Having defined these user segments, the next step is to prioritize them and solve for the ones higher in priority first and then for the others. In order to prioritize the user segments, I carried out a survey where I asked my defined target groups that on a scale from 0 to 5, how would they rate the indie adoption tool on the following parameters: desirability, feasibility, and usability. Based on the survey responses, the average of desirability, usability, and feasibility ratings for the tool by different target groups are as follows. I then ranked the user groups and defined the solutions and market size for each of them. Now, based on the order of priority for user segments, I have devised a holistic end-to-end solution. The user flow or user journey of the product looks like this. And then I have also mentioned the tech stack and the workflow journey of the company. Let me take you through the user journey through the mockups. The user first signs up or logs in. Next, she is taken to some screens to make her aware about why it is great to adopt an indie. Then she is asked whether she wishes to apply as an adopter or an informer. This question is asked every time a user opens the app. If she clicks on informer, she gets an application to put up a dog for adoption. If she clicks on adopter, she gets an application to adopt a dog. Now, based on all the forms filled by the informers, the adopters are then shown some listings of the dogs available for adoption. If they click on adopt button, their application is sent directly to the informer for that dog. Once the informer approves the application, the potential adopter can choose a slot to meet the dog and its informer. A progress meter shows the status of adoption process. After a successful meeting, the user has now adopted the dog. She is then linked with an NGO near her current location through the app. The NGO provides her with a checklist of requirements post-adoption for purposes like shopping, training, vet visits, etc., and also supports or aids her for 1 month. She also gets a dashboard to track vets, dogs, accessories, NGOs for help near her location. After a month of care and support, the adopter becomes best friends with the dog, which signifies a successful and complete user journey. If the user wishes, she can also provide a reward to the informer or the NGO, but that's purely optional. Next, I have defined some metrics or KPIs that would define success for the product. I have prioritized these metrics on 2 parameters, core and actionable. And based on my analysis of all metrics, I find that the North Star metric is the 5th one, which is increase in number of indies adopted. Then I have laid out a go-to-market strategy. I have listed the ways to position the product in the market and also some ways to spread awareness about the offering. Then I've listed some risks or pitfalls involved in the process. Finally, I've listed a possibility of integrating WebXR API of the metaverse into this mobile application that would make the 3D visualization of indie and interaction with it possible. Now, I like quoting Dumbledore a lot, and I would again say that it is not our abilities that show what we truly are, but our choices. So many people are able to adopt an indie, but it is important for us as a product to make them aware of their choice to adopt and make that process super easy and streamlined for them. Thank you and have a nice day.